Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Hakaji kran bat Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukonrat ke Sangma. Hadian ke jelang play ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival. Kinau patai kubor ke layor la ruban keli. Halor ke Senjam, baka Sorkar Kanshim. Halor ke Jingsha Thombor, ke Kong Agnes Karsieng, bat ke Amita Sangma. Haka Pratarek mentau Naiweng Arja Katpra, haka Shnong Shokshre, Hapo East Giant District.
So my whole purpose of visiting her yesterday was to really meet the family, see her and express my concerns for her. And I can tell you I was quite happy to see that she has been really improving. It was quite a difficult phase for the family and for her, and after seeing what she went through, it was quite sad to see how she had to, what difficult phase they had to go through. But by God's blessing, she is improving, and yesterday she gained consciousness. And when I went to see, I was lucky that she recognized me, she saw me, she indicated, to express that yes, I am seeing you, thank you for coming. So it was nice to see her. Apart from that, of course, other matters now need to be looked into. I'll be going back to office and I'll be calling a meeting in this issue, and we'll see after discussion how to take things forward. It's totally condemnable. What has been done is a real sheer act of violence and something that is not at all acceptable, and we will take stern measures and strict measures to ensure that those who are guilty are brought to justice. We will look into all the aspects, all the complaints, and at this point, as I said, without really discussing with all the officials, it will not be appropriate for me to give any kind of commitment at this point. But as I said, it's a very serious matter, and we will give the due importance and seriousness that it requires.